In this video, we will learn how to remove header from second page in Word document. So let's start this my Word document. You can see the header is remove headers is mentioned I here, and in second page also same header is showing. In third page also same header is showing. So here I'm going to remove the header of second and third page. Okay, so first go to the view tab. In Zoom group, just click on the multiple pages. Okay, now you can see all three pages here, so all header also showing. So just double click on this and you can see the all header is now clearly visible. Okay, now go to the header and footer tab, and in option group click on the different first page. When you click on the different first page, the first page header will remove. Okay, then copy this second page header. I just copy this and paste here. Okay, I just use shortcut key Ctrl V, paste here. Now remove the second page header and you can see automatically third page header also remove. Okay, now just close the header and footer. That's it. You can see, again go to the view and click on the one page. So here the second page header is removed and same as third page header also remove. So this is a way you can remove header from second page in Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.